Good morning friends. In this video today I'll tell you 5 things you must know before applying mustard cake fertilizer in your plants. I tell you this is the 5 precautions you should know before applying, because if you don't follow these tips you may hamper your plants and you may damage the plants. And you can see we are applying mustard cake fertilizer here, and all our plants are very lush green, all are heavy, very beautiful growth. And I tell you the 5 things if you don't know. But first thing you must know, what should be the actual proportion of soaking mustard cake this in water. First thing is, you don't have to add much. First thing, you take around 1 liter of water and mix it around 50 gram here. Soak 50 gram of mustard cake in 1 liter of water. Soak it for 4 days. After 4 days, mix it around, dilute it around 9 liter again water, and then make it to 10 liter of water. And after making it 10 liter of water after 4 days, then you can apply. Many people do that, they make it very concentrated, and if you apply concentrated form, then you may damage your roots of the plants and the plants may die. So this is the soak. I am soaking it for 4 days. After soaking it for 4 days, you have to mix it in 9 liter of water. So total you make 10 liters of water. And if you apply 100 ml in each plant, then you may apply to 100 pots. So 50 gram of mustard cake you can apply in 100 pots. So this is the concentration. Please don't do it very concentrated form. Many people do some mistakes, they make it a concentrated form, and as a result sometimes there will be some fungal infection and eventually the plants may die. So this is the first thing you should know. Second thing is the applying of mustard cake, and what should be the actual timing of mustard cake fertilizer. Whenever you apply any mustard cake liquid fertilizer, then the soil must be dried up totally. So before applying mustard cake fertilizer, you have to dry up the soil 1 day or 2 days before you stop watering the pots. And after 1 or 2 days, when you see the total drying up of soil, then just till the land, just make it loosen the soil, and then you apply around 100 ml or 200 ml depending on the size of the pot. So you can apply so that the plants can readily uptake, and the total the soil should be dried up eventually very soon. So this is the second thing you must know. Third thing is very important. Many people do very for powerful making of liquid mustard cake fertilizer, they use DAP or NPK Supla 10-26-26. I tell you the DAP has lots of nitrogen and phosphorus. DAP contains is nitrogen is 18%, phosphorus is 46%, potassium is 0. This is the DAP granules. If you apply around 10 gram of 1 teaspoonful of DAP in 10 liters of water, that would be enough, and that may brighten quality of your mixture fertilizer, and that will be very powerful and 10 times powerful than mustard cake liquid fertilizer. So but you have to apply 1 day before you apply the liquid mustard cake fertilizer. That is, they need 24 hours to dissolve in this solution, because they do not easily dissolve in this solution. So if you apply this DAP, so after 3 days of soaking, you apply 1 teaspoonful of DAP or 1 teaspoonful of this NPK Supla 10-26-26. They will dissolve in 24 hours, and then you can apply and 100 ml or 200 ml depending on the pot size. Here you can see I have mixed up here DAP, and that's why this is a black color in color. Now I can apply this solution in each pot around 100 ml in each pot. Now comes the fourth point is, what should be the gap between the consecutive two application. I tell you this is a very slow release fertilizer. So since it is very organic and slow release fertilizer, you have to make some proper gap between the two doses. I tell you it takes around 15 days to uptake and to absorb all the nutrients of this mustard cake for each plant. So you must apply, and there should be at least 15 days gap between the two doses, or maybe at least 10 days gap between the two consecutive doses of this fertilizer. Now comes the fifth point. That is very important. Many of the people say that they have made a lot of amount of master cake fertilizer, they are remaining lots of amount. So what they should throw away or what they can do. So now I tell you that you can mix after 15 days or 1 month. You can apply 1 teaspoonful of lime powder, that is calcium hydroxide. That is lime wash type of this lime. This is a calcium hydroxide, this is alkaline solution, and this mustard cake is acidic solution that will make you neutral. And then you can apply in 100 ml or 200 ml depending on this pot size. So that will make you neutral and you can use it easily. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.